Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Forms. This is essential if you want to create surveys, quizzes, or collect feedback from your team or audience, and it's a straightforward process once you know where to click. First, open your web browser and navigate to Microsoft.com. This is the main Microsoft portal where you can access all their services. Once the page loads, look over to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to begin the login process. After clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to a login screen where you need to enter your credentials. Type in your Microsoft email address in the field provided. This should be the email you use for your Microsoft account. Once you've entered it, click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Now, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. You'll see an option that says Send Code. Click on this button and Microsoft will send a verification code to your registered email address. This is an important security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. Next, you'll need to retrieve that verification code from your email. Open your Gmail account in a new tab or window. Look for the email from Microsoft containing your verification code. It should arrive within a few seconds. Once you find it, copy the code provided in the email. Now, switch back to the Microsoft Forms tab in your browser. You'll see a field where you can paste the verification code. Go ahead and paste the code you just copied from your Gmail. This step confirms that you have access to the email account associated with your Microsoft login. After entering the code, Microsoft will ask if you want to stay signed in. You'll see two options here, yes or no. If you're using a personal device and want quick access next time, click yes. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it's safer to click no to protect your account security. And that's it. You're now logged into Microsoft Forms and ready to start creating forms, surveys, or quizzes for whatever purpose you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.